Alright everybody, so here we are back. Let's continue. And the most important thing, that is Mongoose aggregation. Today again we will be focusing on that. The fact is that I've been learning that for 3 days around, and it's gonna be the third day. I hope that it will be done very soon. And basic kind of, what the hell, my mobile is not connected yet, so let me connect it. Come on yaar. Just a sec. First of all, I really took a long break today, mainly because it could be New Year or something. But never mind. Right now, mobile is connected, so I can just simply go ahead from here. And let's reload the page. And let's try the things out. A simple thing is that we will be just writing some of the programs using Mongoose aggregation and all. And let's see how that's gonna be going on. Let me make sure that I'm audible and all. Alrighty, it turns out I am audible. Now I can just simply go ahead from here, and let's keep it on the right side or something. Just like this. That is it. I will be opening warp over here for this, and then I can just simply continue. Alrighty, apart from this particular thing, I need to go here to my docs. docs.google.com, this is the one. Let's keep it on the left side. Alrighty, so first of all, mainly when it comes to learning about the things that we have already covered, and because I will be spending around 1 hour, so let's continuously focus on this for an hour. After that, I will start working on the project. So far I've learned about how you can create the database and all, how you can create the collections, how you can insert the values, how you can even read the data, how ordered and unordered insert works, and how you can import the data and export the data from the MongoDB. How you can find the data, find in the sense again you are reading that with the help of that. We learned about some of the comparison operators. They are equal to, not equal to, greater than, and I mean they are the basic ones, so don't really need to worry about that. There are some cursor methods as well, count, limit, skip, and sort and all. And after that we learned about some of the logical operators. They are like and, or, not, nor, and all. Even I learned about expression, especially when you have to just work with some. Well, Jai Bhardwaj, how are you, bro? Happy New Year. Let me even type it today. Happy, not happy. Happy New Year. I hope you are doing great. And today I just started revising the Mongoose section again. And then revise the expression part. That's great. Even I've been going through that. The thing is that overall I should have the idea, and then when it's actually used in the real application, then things get even clearer, but never mind. Expressions are mainly okay. Well, that's great. Happy New Year to you too. Expressions, operator, field. So when it comes to operators, so we have different kinds of operators. Whenever we have to just get some complex things done, we use expressions. After expressions, there are some elements operators. By the way, I forget the names, forget about that. The basic thing should be clear. Exist, type, and size, these are the elements operator. And just after that, today that I'm gonna be learning, that is projection. Projection in the sense how many things you actually want in your database, like to be projected, as simple as that. And field 1, field 2, to include specific fields, use projection with a value of 1 for the fields you want. To exclude fields, use projection with a value of 0 for the fields you want to exclude. As simple as that. If you want to exclude the fields, use 0. If you want to include the fields, then use 1. So let's even do, this is easy peasy, so let's even do that. First of all, let's start Docker MongoDB. I think that's already started. Docker ps, okay. Docker execute. I will be going, come on, docker execute iteration mode, not iteration, interactive mode. And that is let's copy this thing from here, control cv and bash, just as simple as that. Right now I'm inside that particular container, so I can start my mongosh inside that. and I'm connected to that. Show DBs, let's see how many databases do I have, and I have these many databases. I will be using my DB, so use my DB over here, as simple as that. Show collections, and let's db.find. I will be finding all my users, so db users.find, and this is how I will be going ahead. So these are the users that I have. What is the next thing? The next thing is that I have to use my projection. Projection will mainly be, first of all, I have to find all. Okay, this is the first thing, and the second thing is find one. Yeah, find all is okay. And the second thing is that over here I have to give them the what? I have to give them. It's gonna be shown at the end of the day. Just a sec. Projection field 1, field 2. So what is going to the field? I want my name field. Name is gonna be 1. That's it. Let's run it. So right now I'm getting it like this. If I want my age as well, so let's give it age. Age also gonna be 1. So right now I'm only getting my name and age. ID I will always get. So if I don't want to get the ID, so I will have to set it to 0 explicitly. So suppose I don't wanna get my ID. So in that case, let's make it 0. Just gonna be like this, and I'm just getting my name and age, as simple as that. This is pretty simple one. You can't exclude and include and exclude fields simultaneously in the same query projection. That means either you use include or you use exclude. Don't use both of them at the same time. And there are something called again expressions. We have operator is equal, and then we are calculating the size. We are just even comments. This is fine. Okay. Let's go ahead. So we have learned about projection right now, and the next one is that embedded documents. Crazy. Okay, let's go through it. Query documents inside embedded documents using dot notation. Well, this is okay, easy to understand. The thing is that if one document contains another document, so using dot notation, you can just simply get that thing done. As simple as that. I don't really have any such example over here, but that's okay. Embedded documents dealing with arrays and objects, just use the dot notation. That's it. Find your post with comments by specific user. Okay, find the documents where the views in metadata field. Okay, get rid of this. Not needed. We need to find out the document where. Okay, let's get rid of this as well. Not really needed. I can even create a document over here. I can create an embedded document, and then I can work with that. So db users dot find, not user, just users dot find. These are the documents that I have right now, and inside these documents I can create one more, and I will be inserting an object inside that. So suppose db users dot insert. I wanna insert a document, insert one mainly, and inside this I will have an object. Inside that object I will have my name. Name is gonna be just again name. Maybe let's make it 4. So VIP Andra Vipendra and 4. Age is gonna be, let's make it 20 at this time. And address, let's have an object called address, and inside that particular object we will have some more things. So over here I will have state called Madhya Pradesh, so just make it MP, and I'll have my country over here. Country will be India. By the way, there's a mistake here. The mistake is this. Let's make it like this. So overall things are done. Let's enter it, and let's run the find command again, and now I'm getting that. So ultimately I have an object inside the document. So if I want to get that, so I can use something called embedded child, right? So what I can do that embedded documents, so using that I can just simply find it. So what I want, that I want to find, so db.users.find. What I want to find a document on which condition? On the condition that address dot state, it should be equals to what? It should be equals to MP, as simple as that. Just like this. Let's run it. So I'm getting only one. So this is how I can just even use that too. Like this is called embedding things and all. So far we have actually gone through many things. Then I have something called $or and $element match. Again, $all the लैपटॉप और पीसी दोनों से एक साथ काम करते हैं क्या? Yeah, I have my notes on my laptop, and I have my PC right now where I'm working. Okay, bye. See you soon. Take care. Have a great day ahead, and see you. Happy New Year again. by